Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how your purchase return delivery challan affect your inventory. So let us go to our sales and purchase. So click on browse module, go to sales and purchase. Now this is one of my papaya purchase order in which I have rejected some of the material in GRN. Always remember that purchase return delivery challan and rejection will work in your inventory if your entry into store document is selected as GRN, which you can define it in your settings in inventory segment. So this is one of my GRN which I have created. If I will open this particular GRN, please check. Here I have accepted 150 out of 250 quantity I have rejected. Now in my reject store there is 50 quantity. Let me show you. So browse module, I will open the inventory. I will open it in a new tab. So this is my inventory. What I will do, I will search for papaya. Now this is the item, and from here I will go ahead and check in the main reject store. So please check, there is 50 quantity which is rejected available in my reject store. So let us go back and create a purchase return delivery challan. How? Click on go to transaction. Right hand side, create document. You will get an option of delivery challan purchase return. Click on this. Now once I clicked on this, go below. Here is the quantity which I need to return. I will select 50. Please check. The store is main reject store. Go below, and after that what I will do, I will click on save and send. So once I will click on save and send, please check the purchase return delivery challan is created. I will click on go to transaction. Go below. I have already sent an approval to my inventory to reduce the stock. I will go back to my inventory. Now I need to go to inventory approvals and I will approve this. Click on approve. Just give me a quick moment. So I will quickly go ahead and approve this. Once I will click on approve, now I will go to item master and will search for papaya. Now this is my item papaya, in which, please check, from your reject store 50 quantity got reduced. So this is how your delivery challan affect your inventory. After that you can create inward, and then after can take the material again in, or you can create a debit note in order to set off the amount. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to manage your delivery challan and how it affects your inventory. Have a good day.